Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sunita Gaikwad from Siddharth College. Today we are going to discuss about the India's handicraft export. India's handicraft export. Before that, my participant number is KTHM 634. Today we are going to discuss, as I have told you, India's handicraft export, why we have to study and all that we will see in this presentation. What is the scope of Indian handicraft export? As I said, we have to study, but whether this India's handicraft export has any scope or not, that we need to study in this presentation. First one, it generates employment. To whom it generates employment? To the poor people, to the skilled people. Because handicraft means the products are made by the hands or simple tools by the skilled people. This skill the Indians are having. For example, manufacturing the shawls, Kashmiri shawls we all are knowing. Then the leather shoes we have, Kolhapuri chappal we have, shoes we have, lot many products we have in handicraft segment, and these are highly demanded in the foreign countries, but we are not able to give we can say the more importance to such a type of product. So that is why nowadays we are started lagging behind. The next, as I have told you, we have started lagging behind. In this table you can see that in 2002-2003 we had more export comparative to the any other year. Like in case of 2002 and 2003, it was nearby 38 US billion, Indian, we can say in Indian rupees, 38 billion was the India's handicraft export. But afterwards it has started decreasing. People are not giving importance, people are not giving much attention to this handicraft product. But if handicraft products will be given the importance, I can say that we'll able to earn more revenue. I will see the what are the handicraft products has been exported from India. Here the data has been given of 2017-18, like art, metal, wood, hand printed textile, imitation jewelry, shawls, zari and zari goods and other miscellaneous handicraft has been exported from our India. What is the scope? First I can say the employment opportunity. Right now I have told you ki if the handicraft export will start taking place, then it will help in generating employment among the poor people to the skilled people. Then with the help of more export we will able to earn the foreign exchange. This is the one sector which is right now lagging behind. Nowadays people are not giving much importance or not giving more, I can say, the attention to this type of product, or might be I can say the skilled people are not available. Now skilled people are not available, and reason is that the handicraft products cost is little bit more compared to the products which are available in the market. So consumers are not ready to purchase this handicraft, and when they are not able to purchase the handicraft product, they are going for the other type of product. So that is why here we can say like a little bit lagging behind. But if we will improve the export, if we have more trade in the international trade, world trade in the handicraft, we will able to earn the foreign exchange, we will able to have the employment opportunities, and with the help of employment opportunities, standard of living will improve of the employees or the people. Then another one is the reputation. As we all are knowing, companies are having the reputation, country will have the reputation that about the Kashmiri shawls are, right now we have discussed. The other handicrafts also all over the world are famous, and because of that country can get the reputation. Now thank you from whom? Thank you from the skilled workers. See, the women poor woman skilled, but see in her hand she is doing her painting on that pot. She is a skilled one. Nice pot she has decorated. Another one, the group of female weaving the shawl or the carpet. That is also, carpet is also one type of handicraft. Thank you from her that you studied, you have paid attention. And this she is another one, carpet or the shawls she is weaving. So that we can say here it needs attention, and when it needs attention, definitely the skill of our India will be spread all over the world and more foreign exchange can be generated. Thank you.